Today's resin project is dedicated to all the lovely Pisceans in our lives. I will use this silicone mold representing the zodiac. The Piscean colors are sea green and lilac, so I'm using mica pigments that are closest to these colors. This zodiac is known to be sensitive, compassionate, artistic, and they yearn to find a balance between the inner worlds and the demands of reality. I think these two colors will look awesome together. So I'm going to quickly mix the resin and get these pigments ready for pouring. I will layer the colors on these two fish swimming in seemingly opposite directions, hoping to capture the essence of this water sign. Alright, this is ready to demold. It has cured well and I'm going to try and pop it out. Since the outline is irregular, I have to be a little more careful taking this out. There we go. Wow, the colors have blended really well. The swirls have become softer and the overall combination is very pleasing. Since it was a shallow pour, the resin climbed the walls a bit. I will give this a quick sanding and even it out. The sanded surface also helps to bond with the doming UV resin and reduces the amount of resin needed. Perfect. Now I'll add a little flair to the body with a little bit of this Chameleon mica pigment over the painted strokes of UV resin. This is to recreate the polychromatic hues you often see in fish scales. And now a little crafts glitter to complete the look for this water sign zodiac charm. My charm is fully cured and ready for the final assembly. There is even a little transparency. The charm has been completed and it is looking lovely. I will be gifting this to a dear friend. I hope she likes it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe. Happy crafting and have a wonderful day.